We got a Genesis G90 cabin air filter. Okay, so it's gonna be located behind the glove box. So we need to lower the glove box door. First step, disconnect the damper. You need to pull this pin out of the damper, okay? Just grab it, pull it right out. And you can disconnect right here just like this. Now, glove box stoppers, you need to remove these counterclockwise, turn it, and then pull them out. 2 of them. Alright, so once you have that lowered, you're going to take off this door here by squeezing these clips here, pulling towards you. And you can just remove the door, okay? Here's our filter. Just go and pull it out. This one is fairly new. We're not replacing it today, okay? It's actually a Fram filter. There's a part number there. If you need one, I'm gonna have a link in the description box. Take it to Amazon where you can pick up an aftermarket filter. They vary in price. They're like $10 all the way up to $30. But notice here, when you get your new filter, that it's gonna have airflow direction, which is gonna be pointing down. All your aftermarket filters that are quality normally will have that labeled. So make sure you install it correctly. Now when you go to put this door back on, you're gonna put the right side in first. You're gonna put these little tabs right here in first, and then lock the door back. And then you can come over here and put the stoppers back. Put them in, clockwise locks them in. I'll do the other one later. But this part here, what you're gonna do is you're gonna match up these little holes. There's a little hole here and a little hole here. Just match them up as good as you can. You can pull this guy down. Sorry, my finger's in the way, but then you get your pin, go ahead and stick it back in here, lock it in here, and you're all done. Well, hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it if you could hit that like button for me. Leave me a comment if you could. And hope to see you again in another Genesis video.